Thanks for choosing our product. Before you use the tracker, you need to buy a GSM Nano SIM card, and before you put in the card, you need to turn off the device. The tracker supports GSM network, and you can use it in the areas that are with GSM 2G networks, but not include CDMA network. The data flow for a month is about 30 MB if you use it 24 hours a day. Except for the fee for calling and data flow, you don't need to pay anymore because we have purchased Amazon server for users to use with free of charge. If the SIM card is placed inside the car slot, there is no signal. It may be that the mobile terminal does not write the APN data of the operator. In this case, you need to ask the operator of the SIM card for APN code, such as CMNet. Then you enter the APN code CMNet in the interface of set APN. The tracker defers the positioning mode, and the order is GPS, Wi-Fi, and LBS. There is a tiny deviation on the accuracy. You can review the manual for details. You could check your object trends regionally. For example, if you are in USA, you can track your object which is in Mexico. The tracker could be recharged with a USB cable. When you start to recharge it, it will be flashing red, and it will solid red without flashing when it finishes charging. After you finish charging the tracker, you could use it for about 5 days by using it 24 hours a day. The battery can be recharged 400 times and can be used for about 3 to 4 years. The app for the tracker is Amber 360. You could just scan the QR code on the manual to download the app. Here is the account registration. After you download the app Amber 360, then you need to register a new account. When you register the account, the tracker with SIM card should be turned on. Similarly, when you put the SIM card in the tracker should be closed. If not, you should close it, then put in the SIM card and finally turn on the tracker for using. Here we get back to registration. First, register the account. The account ID and password are quite important, so you need to remember them. After registration, enter the binding bar of IMEI number. You can scan the QR code on the device or manually enter the IMEI number. You need to confirm that the IMEI number you enter is correct. Then we go to the next step. Select the user's identity by the phone number you used for registration just now. Then enter your personal information of the tracker. Finally, enter the SIM card number on the tracking device and click Next to enter the main menu of the software. The binding between device and mobile phone is complete. This binding is for the master device binding steps. Only the master number has the permissions to set the device. Now master number is unable to set the app background. And here is the binding steps of a non-master number and IMEI number. Registering the account and entering the IMEI number are the same way with the binding master number. Just the steps are different. When you enter the IMEI number, it will display an interface. In the first line, please enter the phone number which you use it for binding the software. In the second line, please enter any text and click the confirm. Now master number will send a request directly to the master number to get through the verification. When the master number accepts the verification, this non-master number can be used normally. The master number and non-master number are limited to 10 sets. Here is the introduction of setting SOS numbers. We could buy 3 groups of SOS numbers, then click confirm. After 5 to 10 seconds, the tracker will automatically dial a call to the master number to verify. Then we will show you how to make SOS calls. You can use the power button to control the tracker. Long press the power button for 3 seconds. The tracker will automatically dial from the first phone number to the third number. If the first number could not connect, it will automatically dial the next number. And now we want to introduce how to set surveillance number. When we have set surveillance number, after 5 to 10 seconds, the tracker will automatically dial code to the set number to verify. When the tracker is connected successfully, you can monitor the person with the tracker and hear what he says by dialing the SIM card number on the tracker. Finally, we want to introduce the function of cell phone book. Both the SOS numbers and surveillance numbers must be added to the phone book. In addition, you can add a lot of phone numbers in the phone book for dialing the tracker. Here is the app scene. Click this icon to update the map. Then you click the next icon to change to 3D map. And then you could click the next icon to get the location of your phone. Besides, you could dial the tracker by clicking the telephone icon and monitor the tracker by clicking the earphone icon. Then we click the menu on the upper left corner. The first item is Add Device. You can add as many trackers as you can. Now we continue to talk about the menu on the upper right corner. In this interface, location is set as the real-time positioning shortcut key. We can update our current real-time location. Function is the setting menu. And the next function is track setting. Our track setup defers to GPS data collection. You could turn on the buttons as the interface shows you and click to confirm. Then you could set a time period to replay the track. The second function is the setting of GPS upload data interval. The GPS data defaults to upload every 30 minutes for this tracker, and you could reset the time interval, which should be above 1 minute.